It is now 03:51 hours and we are at the Holy Eucharist Church, Moonwalk Village. Barangay Moonwalk comprised of several villages and churchgoers are coming in. Can't see the cross. Patay ba yung cross? Pambira, patay ba yung cross? Malilate kami sa mass yan. And we have a Christmas tree there at this side. See, there's a Christmas tree there at the side. Oh, there are bikes. There are Christmas tree. Parang nawala yung resolution eh. The mass is about to start. Announcements are being made. What time is it? 03:57 hours. And the mass is about to start. People are still coming in. Church now air conditioned. There you go. It's about to start. The servers are out there about to do the procession. Can you hear me out there? Sana naririnig ako. The servers are out there about to do the procession and it's about to start the mass. It's now what? 03:58 hours. We're in front of the Holy Eucharist Parish. Oh, some more guys, mahabol. Ayan oh. Yung mahabol pa. Ang dami. This is something you'll miss, ano? Punta doon, dali. Kaway ka, kaway. Yan. Kaway. Mapupunta rin ako dyan, ha? Punta doon, yan. Kaya sobra, wala na akong space. Ako naman. Our compliance in the US and Canada, this is what you're missing. You don't have Simbanga be there, but I believe in California already have. Teka, kuha may pictures. They're already having the reading inside. We're still outside and we're going in. We're about to go in the church right now. We're having the first reading. That's the first reading. The priest is doing the homily. This is the altar. This is the altar of the Holy Eucharist Parish.
The Lord is gracious, or the Lord is merciful, or the Lord is kind. Yun ay dahil perfection ng Panginoon. Napaka-importante mga kapatid yung pagbigay ng pangalan ng mga bata. Siguro sa atin hindi siguro na kapitay ng maayos ng ating mga bagong parents na mauna lang yung pangalan ng mga bata, no? Mga kombinasyon, ulo-ula, artista, mga papa, may pagbahay bata, pangalan ng pagbahay, ako, kapag usually sa linya, dito sa ating 11:30 every Sunday, the other day lang, Sunday,
Narinig ko na innocent ako sa ibang pare. Well, that's what you have here. We're having homily, and it's what?
So, dapat mayroon niyang Christian.
It's 4:22 hours. It's 4:22 hours. This is Simbang Gabi, Christmas Dawn Mass in the Philippines. Holy Eucharist Parish, Barangay Munwak, Paranaque.
Isang punto na pagkilala natin sa regulasyon, yung pagbigay pangalan kay John na ibig sabihin nga God is gracious. Second point is hindi lang yung graciousness o yung act of kindness na receive natin, nakita natin araw-araw galing sa Diyos, kundi yung invitation for us to be able to embody, to incarnate itong katangian nito sa araw-araw na buhay natin. Kasi
the Mass is now over here at the Holy Eucharist Parish. What time is it? 05:27 hours. And this is their nativity. It's now 05 what? 27. Now 05:27. Actually, it's advanced. Maybe it's 05:15 or 20. Because we always have advanced watch. I don't know what's wrong with our watch. I think the Lord is playing a trick on us so that we would be early for Mass. And this is their nativity. Here at Holy Eucharist Parish, Barangay Moonwalk. That's the altar. And that's where you have the wreath. Where's the wreath? Can't see the wreath. Oh, there it is, the wreath. And they turned off already the lights. Oh. Okay. This is the 23rd of 2014, December. This is the what? 7th? You still have two Simbang Gabis to go. Diba? 24th and then, or this is the last. Oh, this is the 8th. This is the 8th Simbang Gabi. Tomorrow is the last. Okay. Hindi pa na tayo napagpakuha ng dalawa tayo ron. Ako po.